Skinless baked chicken thighs, candy yams, and spinach. Baked skinless chicken thighs are on the menu this week, and here we have our well-seasoned chicken thighs, and here are the seasonings that were used. Slap your mama something new. These are well-seasoned chicken thighs that we're going to bake in the oven at 400 degrees for about 35-40 minutes, then we'll add a sauce. Our baked chicken thighs are done. We're going to add a bit more sauce to these, and we will leave these without sauce. This is our butter, brown sugar, white sugar, cinnamon, nutmeg, and cloves that we're going to add to our sweet potatoes. We're going to place these in the oven and let them bake and have candy yams. Here they are, candy yams to completion. Skinless baked chicken thighs, candy yams, and spinach.